food. Alright. Round 2.
What's up, you guys? So it has been a very eventful few days and weeks. So the mirrors that came on the truck to begin with, I pulled off and I was getting ready to sand and paint, and I was dead set on taking them apart. Long story short, I shattered the glass and the plastic broke, so we had to replace them kind of quick so I could get them sanded down and primed. The one thing I didn't show you guys in this video, just because it's been very repetitive, was the sanding on the mirrors. The prep work, sanding and cleaning the mirrors were the key to getting them color matched perfect. And also that clear coat laying down like glass, which is really hard to do over plastic to begin with. So I want to just tell you guys, I didn't show you me sanding the mirrors down, but it was very, very important. So if you're doing this at home, make sure your surface is as flat as it can be. And then I did go over and use a filler primer. The filler primer has really come in handy on the plastic. It just gets into the grooves that I might have missed sanding. I wanted to tell you guys that's how I got that blue in the clear coat to really match the rest of the truck. It all came behind that prep work. So if you're doing this at home, make sure you have a very flat, smooth surface before you paint over. And then as far as the blue in the clear coat, it was the exact same thing we've done all around the truck. It's been very difficult to get it to match the truck. The paint looks absolutely phenomenal and there's minimal flaws from the professional painter. This has definitely tested my ability to match these parts to the truck, and they're turning out really, really good. As far as those mirrors go, they turned out great. Definitely let me know in the comments down below what you think, and if you guys are color matching or painting stuff to go on your vehicle, I'd be curious to know what and how it's going. And if you guys have any questions, I would be willing to help, because I've learned a lot from just diving in and having to do it. So I had really big plans to put some pieces back on the interior, and it would have been easier to do it where I'm at. So we did end up driving the truck. It was a very short drive. It was exciting nonetheless. It was very nerve-wracking. It was very, very exciting to drive the truck. I worried a lot, but I think that will get better as time goes on. So it makes me so happy. It's bringing so much joy to me. I hope it can bring some joy to you guys too. Also, with me painting and doing all of this at home, I hope it inspires you guys to give it a shot. I will say that you just have to dive in and trust yourself when you're doing stuff like this. Even if you don't know how to do it, you're gonna learn as you go, and that's what's important with everything. So I want to thank you guys so much for being here. Make sure you're subscribed and your bells are on so you're not missing out on all of this stuff and all of what's to come. I'm very excited to share it with you guys. So take care. I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.